Swollen paws in dogs, causes, care, and prevention. Swollen paws are one of the most common issues dog owners face, and while they may seem like a minor problem at first, they can often signal something more serious. If your dog is limping, constantly licking its paws, or showing signs of discomfort, swollen paws may be the reason. Understanding the causes, knowing what to look for, and learning how to treat them can help keep your dog comfortable and healthy. Common causes of swollen paws. In many cases, swelling occurs due to minor injuries. A small cut, scrape, or thorn lodged in the paw can easily cause redness and inflammation. Dogs that love to run outdoors may step on sharp objects, stones, or even hot pavement, all of which can irritate their paws. Allergies are another frequent cause. Dogs can be allergic to food, pollen, grass, or even household chemicals such as cleaning sprays or floor disinfectants. These allergens may lead to redness, itching, and swelling around the paws. Infections are also a major factor. Bacterial or fungal infections not only cause swelling, but may also produce a foul odor, pus, or persistent licking of the affected paw. In more serious situations, swollen paws may be linked to underlying health conditions. Arthritis, broken bones, or autoimmune diseases can all cause significant swelling and pain. For this reason, it's important to not ignore ongoing symptoms. What you can do at home. If your dog's paw looks mildly swollen, start by cleaning it gently with warm water to remove dirt or allergens. You can use a pet-safe antiseptic to prevent infection in case of small cuts or scratches. Make sure to dry the paw thoroughly afterward. If your dog keeps licking or chewing the swollen area, consider using an Elizabethan collar, also known as a cone, to protect the paw while it heals. When to see a vet. If swelling persists for more than 24 to 48 hours, or if your dog is in obvious pain, refuses to walk, or the paw has a pus, bleeding, or a strong odor, it's time to see a vet. Early treatment can prevent the problem from becoming more serious. Prevention tips. To avoid swollen paws, check your dog's feet regularly after walks, especially if they've been outside in rough terrain. Keep nails trimmed and paw pads clean. During summer, avoid hot pavements that can burn sensitive paw pads. Also, be mindful of exposing your dog to harsh chemicals and ensure their environment is safe from sharp objects. Conclusion. Healthy paws are essential for an active, happy dog. By staying alert, practicing good paw care, and seeking veterinary help when needed, you can protect your furry friend from pain and keep them running joyfully by your side.